And elsewhere, the national government has released 6 billion shillings to the National Hospital Insurance Fund for the Universal Health Coverage Programme. Speaking at the Baolala Health Centre in Malindi Sub County, Kilifi County, Health Principal Secretary Dr. Susan Mochache further said more than 1 million Kenyan families have already been registered for the programme and that a further 220,000 others would be listed this year as the state inches towards the target of 4 million families. This and more stories in our county's news wrap.
In its commitment to ensure that all Kenyans can access quality Medicare as provided for in the Big Four agenda, the national government has disbursed a total of 6 billion shillings to cover for the already registered 1 million households across the country under the Universal Healthcare Programme.
UHC ni lengo lake kubwa ni kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanaweza kupata huduma za afya na zaidi ya hiyo kuhakikisha kwamba huduma hizo zinapatikana bila gharama kwa mtu yeyote.
Elsewhere, East Africa member states have launched Great Lake Malaria Control Initiative to sustain efforts geared towards elimination and the spread of malaria.
That malaria needs to be tackled at a regional level since country efforts have not produced the desired outcome. The fight against malaria is constantly facing challenges, both existing and emerging, that include increased resistance of the parasite to the commonly used first-line anti-malaria drugs over time.
Meanwhile, Suna West Member of Parliament Peter Masara wants the government to increase bursary allocations to constituencies. The legislator says the 100% transition to secondary schools has increased demand for bursaries among less privileged learners.
You know, education is the equalizer. If many people are educated, if so many orphan and vulnerable children get bursary, it automatically reduces the incidences of insecurity. Because those with hope, somebody who has studied, will try to find a way of surviving.
And matatu owners and operators in the country are planning to increase bus fare from tomorrow countrywide. Speaking to matatu owners and operators in Meru Town today, National Chairman Matatu Operators Association, who is also the chairman of Huduma Credit Jamal Ibrahim, said operators in the industry have been left with no option but to increase bus fare owing to the fuel prices increase.
Tumeshasikizana kwa kuwa fare tunapandisha na hakuna mtu ambaye anaweza punguza because we have loans to pay. We have there is a lot of tear and wears za hizi magari. Mafuta ndio hizi zimepanda.
Finally, in Narok County, poverty has stricken 90-year-old Mama Miriam Kisio, who is one of the few women in Kenya who fought for independence and lives to tell the Mau Mau tales. Miriam was the wife to the late Major General Kurito Ole Kisio, a renowned veteran war hero who not only participated in the Second World War, but also in the Mau Mau when it was a secret organization.
Nilikuwa naongea huko kwa kiwanja. Kasema sina bahari, ndio alisema hiyo bahari tulifungiwa kujera dogo. Ingewe hakuwa yangu. Sasa sijawahi batiwa.
Sisi tungeomba serikali yetu tukufu iweze kumsaidia na hata imuweze kumpatia hata mahali kashamba ataita yake ambaye atafurahia miaka hii ya